webinar on monitoring e-learning accomplishments. Before anything else, let me inform you that this webinar is being recorded by Mr. Patrick Albaran. So please refrain from making any unnecessary comments and remarks. Okay, I see that everyone is now present. Now, please be guided that the link for the attendance sheet is posted in the comment section. Please follow the link and fill out the spreadsheet because that will serve as your attendance for today. Thank you.
Okay, good morning everyone. For the continuation of the demonstration,
Okay, I will turn over the next part of demonstration to Patrick Albaran.
Okay, once again, good morning to each and everyone here at this virtual conferencing. Before that, I'm going to give the floor to our very accommodating and supportive facilitator, Mr. Joy Lee. Sir, good morning.
Hello, good morning. No?
morning sir.
I would say that congratulations, no? Your expertise, especially in the monitoring of e-learning progress, is very evident in your demonstration. Not just your expertise, but even your participation. You have collaborated well and you have participated well. You have divided the activities of the practical demonstration. And with that, I would like to congratulate you all, no, for the job well done.
Once again, good morning to each and everyone. It's really a wonderful day with God's grace. I would like to extend my thanks to the group, Mr. Crescencio, Co-OTN III, and of course, Mr. Jeric de la Cruz. I thought it's Jeric Rabal, but it's Jeric de la Cruz from the Mindanao Technical Cooperated. And of course, my one and only wife, Lida Albaran, my partner in the training. So thank you so much. And of course, to our very accommodating and supportive facilitator, thank you so much, sir. On behalf of the group, we are very thankful to have you. We consider this training a fruitful and very informative one, so that you guys hope to see you soon in person soonest. God bless everyone.
Hope to see you soon also in person, all participants.